I was getting so fed up with everyone telling me to take Shilajit sea moss, lion's mane, it was driving me crazy, but I found an all-in-one capsule. That's absolutely sound like mad on TikTok. So with this, you're getting Shilajit, sea moss, and lion's mane all in one. The benefits of these are seriously amazing. I've been taking these for a few months now, and it helps me sleep better, boost my energy, and lion's mane is known for helping with brain fog, and there's a reason why so many people are buying this stuff. I'd rather take one supplement instead of a bunch of tablets every day. So if you do want to try it, I'll leave the link down below, but hurry, the sale is about to end.